Locus of control is a concept that helps us understand how we see ourselves in relation to the events that happen in our lives. It's about whether we believe we have control over what happens to us or if we think things are determined by external factors. Types of locus of control. Internal locus of control. People with an internal locus of control believe that they have control over their own lives. They think that their actions and decisions determine what happens to them. They believe in their abilities to make things happen and take responsibility for their successes and failures. External locus of control. On the other hand, people with an external locus of control believe that outside forces control their lives. They think that luck, fate, or other people's actions determine what happens to them. They may feel like they have little influence over their circumstances and may blame others for their misfortunes. Impact on behavior. Your locus of control can influence how you approach challenges and setbacks. If you have an internal locus of control, you may be more likely to take action to change your situation and overcome obstacles. You may also be more motivated to set goals and work hard to achieve them. However, if you have an external locus of control, you may feel powerless to change your circumstances. You may be more likely to give up easily when faced with difficulties and may not take responsibility for your actions. Development of locus of control. Our locus of control can be influenced by our upbringing, experiences, and the people around us. For example, if we grow up in an environment where we're encouraged to take initiative and responsibility for our actions, we may develop an internal locus of control. But if we're constantly told that our fate is determined by luck or fate, we may develop an external locus of control, changing your locus of control. While our locus of control tends to be relatively stable, it's not set in stone. With awareness and effort, we can shift our mindset from external to internal. This may involve challenging negative beliefs, setting achievable goals, and taking small steps toward personal empowerment.